right, this just in. I just got my 500 rack, and now I get to put my CAPI modules into the 500 rack, and you get to see it, and we get to test it, just to see if it works. I'd like to take it to the studio and do some real testing with it. But hey, let's check and see how this works out. So let's unbox this bad boy. Be right with you. And here it is. The Midas L10. Yeah, I know, it's not the most expensive one, but if it works, it works. I would have liked to gotten an API, but I waited. I think I ordered this thing in September, pretty sure. So, yep. So exciting. Yep. Yep. All right. Let's not drop it. Don't want to drop it. Bang. An electric blue. I like it. Sorry, bad camera angle. There we go. All right. I had these things on back order for like ever. Yeah, maybe we'll change out these screws. I saw somebody using thumb screws, which would be really nice. These will be fine for temporary, but they feel rather not so solid. So. Feel kind of plasticky. Ooh. Plus, if you had a thumb screw, that wouldn't happen because you'd be holding it. All right. And this is terribly exciting. All right. No top slides, huh? Just slides right in. There you go. Over here. Oh, you guys got to see this. Here we go. Check that out. Oh, yeah. Look at that. like a glove. Not so bad. And yeah. Okay. There's one. Kind of a weird fit.
What up, son?
Cool. Okay, we will just do it. Not brutally tight. Just kind of snug. All right. So, the thing to note is whether we have power lights on our modules, and they work. That would be good. Let's see. Ooh. Here, tilt down for you. There you go. Boom. Lights. Lights. Oh yeah. We got lights on the LC40. Oh, we got lights on the mic pre. Oh, fantastic. This is great. All right. Let's just see if we have sound, shall we? I'll be in a few minutes. Okay, so here's the test setup. We got the Midas with the CAPI V25 and the LC40 sitting over here, powered on, plugged in, ready to go. I got the line output connected to my little interface, which is a Sound Devices Mix Pre 6. You could see the input channel is set to line input, and that is, of course, getting the line output of the LC40. So basically, I linked channel 1 to channel 2 on the Midas, right? Plugged in my just finished 990 modification. And what I'm about to do is show you the test of basically that everything is working just the way it's supposed to. And then of course, there's a crappy room with lots of noise floor, but we'll show you how it works. So what I'm going to do is we'll roll on the Mix Pre 6 and see how it sounds. So I'm going to put on my headphones. And hey, now I'm talking to you live via the 990. So first off, we'll check the mic pre. You'll see that it's 48K, obviously, or not 48K, 48 volts patched in. So crank up a little gain. Oh, how about we talk into the right end of the microphone? Now it'll sound a little better. Amazing, right? Yeah, so got a little gain going in, a little gain going out, a lot of gain going out. So we got a lot of play here. All right, and then let's engage the LC40. Oh my gosh, the noise floor goes away. Why? Because I rolled off the bottom end. But if I bring it back in, you'll start to hear it. There it is. There's that low rumble in this room, which is fantastic. And then listen to this 10K. Check, 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 check. Ah, just beautiful sparkle on that. 20K. Check, 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 check. Nice tick on that. It'll sound amazing with cymbals. And then, your mid frequencies. I don't know. There you go. A little oomph in the mid range, right? Or a little subtraction in the mid range, giving you a little bit bottom end. Ah, just fabulous. And then, upper mid, lower mid. Oh yeah. Sensitive capsule. Fantastic. It's all working just the way it should be. Thanks for joining us. I'm extremely excited when everything just plugs in and works, aren't you? And that's it for this short little episode. I just wanted to share the status of the 500 rack. And I'm really looking forward to some neat new modifications I'm going to do to it, plus a couple new modules that I have in mind. And if you like what you see, hit that like button, hit subscribe, ring the bell. I'm not quite sure what the bell does yet, but, ring it anyway. People say to do that. And let's look forward to the next project that's coming up here. It's made in China, but it'll be built in the United States. Thanks again for joining me. I look forward to seeing you again on the next episode of Andy's Workbench.